All right, guys, Honey Jefe here at the Savannah Apiary. Today is May the 9th, 2026. It's Saturday. It says close to 4 o'clock. It might not be quite 4 o'clock. I can't remember. Temperatures 64 to 80 degrees. My goal today is to make a few splits. I probably need to take the queen excluders off. I don't think there's any need for them now. Once the queen is established, she's not going to go up, and the bees, if they've made honey up in the top, then I'll just take that out. But we'll try to make some splits today. I brought 4 over from the cow pasture apiary. I'll probably put some more frames like in a transfer box to let those go queenless for a day or so, and then use them for some more splits. I didn't bring enough nukes in all of my boxes for the splits. My nuke boxes, I think they're all at the Balderas apiary. I don't know why I left them out there. I only have 2 hives there, and I need to transfer hives from these areas to there. So I needed to have those boxes stored here. And I didn't do that. Anyway, I see a lot of activity in these hives. I'm gonna step down on the grass in front of them to help with the congestion. It's not good for the bees like that. And hopefully none of these guys have absconded or swarmed. I don't see any swarms up in here. I'll look. And that's really it, guys. I'm gonna get started here in a second. Hopefully I'll be done in an hour or so. I'll try to make some videos with my glasses. You know, just a quick point of view, shorts. But hope you guys enjoy it. If you get a chance, let me up at honeyjefe.com. That's honey with a J. That's Jeff with a 1 F between 2 E's. That's Honey Boss, and this is my office.